those look like?
These are people I worked with. This is why I left the school.
Yeah. Sorry, but guess I can't get my shirt won't come up. I'm sorry.
Have you finished the tri-tip?
You may not have that problem, but I have that problem.
Paul loves his triceps. Touch your triceps, Paul.
Have a tricep infatuation. He'd be eating lunch.
Yeah,
and then
touch
just
your
kind of
biceps.
arm would drift
Oh yeah.
And it wore off to you pretty soon.
What the hell are you doing?
My triceps.
Oh yeah. Paul loves the triceps. Touch the triceps, Paul.
At one point I used to talk about menstruation and Paul would go.
I know, and then it all fell apart.
Paul, we talk about menstruation with the tricep?
No, and we're down here, we're like, Mr. Thompson?
You cannot talk about menstruation.
Sorry.
It's wrong and inappropriate.
You say menstruation or menstruation? We had it.
This is why I left the school. Just letting you all know, I had to leave. They forced me out of the country. This is my new flip. Yay! I took a picture of your sister wives earlier.
Good.
Wife 1 and wife 2.
You get a picture of
come back from the
Oh, look at that.
I don't know. I shared a classroom with him 2 periods. So what does it take? How many
Wait, a period? A period is every 23 days?
And then I would talk about. No. And then it was like.
So every 56 days you should.
Look, wait, Brenda, let's get a last shot of them.
My meat?
There we go. Oh no, those will be leaving us soon.